In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with WordPress. This is a fantastic way to harness the power of email marketing directly from your WordPress site. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, you need to ensure you have both a Klaviyo account and a WordPress website set up. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and do that because you won't be able to proceed without these essential components. Once you have your accounts ready, let's talk about the integration process. The first step involves adding Klaviyo to your WordPress site. To do this, log in to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, navigate over to the Account section in the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find various options, but the one we're looking for is API keys. Click on that. Within the API section, you should see an option to create a new API key. Click on the Create API Key button. You'll be prompted to give it a name. It can be something simple like WordPress integration. After you've completed that, make sure to copy the API key that gets generated. We'll need this key later, so keep it safe. Now let's move over to your WordPress site. In your WordPress admin dashboard, go to the Plugins section and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Klaviyo to find the integration plugin. Once you see the Klaviyo plugin, go ahead and install it. After installation, don't forget to activate it. Once the Klaviyo plugin is active, you'll notice a new option in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Klaviyo from the menu. This will bring you to the Klaviyo plugin settings page. This is where we will connect our Klaviyo account to your WordPress site. You should see a field where you can paste your API key. Go ahead and do that now. Remember the key you copied earlier? Perfect. After pasting the API key into the required field, save those changes. Once that's done, you can start configuring how you want to collect email addresses. Most people opt for the sign-up forms option, which allows visitors to subscribe directly through forms on your site. You can customize these forms to match your branding as well. Next, let's go a bit deeper into the integrations. You can set up different forms such as pop-ups or embedded forms depending on what fits best with your website layout. This customization can significantly enhance user experience and help encourage signups. Now here's a pro tip. Make sure to also connect your Shopify store, if you have one, or any additional platforms you're using. This way, you can streamline all your efforts into one cohesive email marketing strategy. After setting up the forms, take a moment to test everything out. You can do this by scrolling to your website and seeing if the sign-up form shows up as expected. It's always a good idea to go through the entire customer experience to make sure everything is functioning smoothly. Finally, don't forget to set up automated flows in Klaviyo. This will help you engage with your customers effectively after they sign up. Automations are where Klaviyo shines by allowing you to send timely and personalized emails, boosting your chances of conversion. And that's it. You now have Klaviyo integrated with your WordPress site, fully equipped to enhance your email marketing. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you found this useful, be sure to subscribe and like the video.